Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that you can fix your Monopoly Go not loading. So first thing first, make sure that your Monopoly Go application is updated. For that, you have to head over to your Play Store or App Store. At the top search bar, type in Monopoly Go. If you see update here, immediately tap onto update and update your app. In case you see play or open, that means your application is already updated. Leave that as it is. Head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below and tap on apps. Here also you have to search for Monopoly Go. As you do so, tap onto storage and clear the cache. Now you may also go ahead clear the data, but then you will have to re-log into your Monopoly Go account. If you would like to do so, tap on clear data and delete the data. Once done, come back onto App Info page, tap on Force Stop on your bottom right hand side, then OK. Now go back, launch your Monopoly Go application and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you have to relaunch your application after uninstalling it. So long, tap onto your Monopoly Go app, tap on uninstall, tap OK, and then reinstall again. Try that. This will fix your problem.